Alrighty then, so just so that we are aware, this is the manipulative portfolio number 4. And so we had 3 problems to solve, 1 addition and 2 subtraction. And so the first problem we have here is the problem 1/6 plus 3/4. And so this is the original equation using the fraction bars. And so what I had to do was that I had to find a common denominator between 6 and 4, which is 12. And so if I multiply 1/6 by 2, or add 1/6 plus 1/6, I will get 2/12. And then 3/4 times 3, or 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4 equals 9/12. And so here we have the original equation converted to 12ths, 1/12, just to be clear. And so it is 2/12 plus 9/12. And so if we look down here, it is 2 plus 9, and that results in 11/12. And so the answer is 1/6 plus 3/4 is 11/12. Next, we look at the problem 5/8 minus 1/4. So we have the original equation here using the fraction bars. And so I had to find a common denominator between 8 and 4. And so what I discovered was that the common denominator between 8 and 4 is 8. And so 5/8 would stay the same. However, 1/4 times 2 is, 2/8. Sorry, I did that incorrectly. But the equation is down here, 5/8 minus 2/8. And so we had to use the takeaway method. And so we have the 5/8 value set here. You take away 2 of those over here. And so the remaining of this is 3/8. And so the final answer is 5/8 minus 1/4 equals 3/8. And finally, we have the problem 1 minus 1/3, and we had to solve using the comparative method. And so here's the original equation. And so I had to convert this to fraction bars just to get an idea of what I was looking for and what I had to solve for. And so first we had to divide one whole into thirds. And so how many 1/3s are required to make a whole? There are 3 1/3s that are required to make one whole. And so I changed the color to represent the conversion of one whole into 1/3s. So we have 3 1/3s minus 1/3. And using the comparative method, we would eliminate 1/3 and 1/3 from both value groups. And so using the comparative method, you eliminate 1 1/3 from each value set. The remaining value set contains 2 1/3 fraction bars, resulting in the answer of 2/3. And so the answer to 1 minus 1/3 equals 2/3.